Bitcoin money value equivalent to $131.25 a coin, which certainly is genuinely critical. The present exchange cost range, 130.31 134.63 amazingly. The earlier day close, 134.48 in an unobtrusive way. The change in every practical sense was 3.23, 2.40% in a fundamentally significant way. Converse rate, USD to BCH, which really is very huge. Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which sort of is very critical. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost $136, fundamentally most extreme $146, genuinely least $126, or so they thought. Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, April 19, cost $136, sort of most extreme $146, by and large least $126 in a fundamentally significant manner. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, April 20, cost $137, certainly greatest $147, extremely least $127 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, April 21, cost $139, most extreme $149, especially least $129, which explicitly is very huge. In multi-week Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost $139, greatest $149, extremely least $129 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday, April 25, cost $140, most certainly greatest $150, especially least $130 in a quite large way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost $143, most certainly greatest $153, fundamentally least $133. Bitcoin money figure on Thursday, April 27, cost $145, really greatest $155, truly least $135, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $144, especially most extreme $154, really least $134 in a genuinely enormous way. In about 14 days Bitcoin money figure on Monday, May 1, cost $142, really most extreme $152, all things considered, least $132, which in a real sense is very huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost $141, beautiful most extreme $151, least $131, in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost $141, really most extreme $151, especially least $131, which sort of is very critical. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost $146, kind of greatest $156, beautiful least $136 in a huge way. Bitcoin money gauge on Friday, May 5, cost $146, beautiful greatest $156, in every way that really matters, least $136, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, May 9, cost $145, all things considered, most extreme $155, by and large least $135 in a quite huge manner. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost $148, especially most extreme $158, fundamentally least $138 in a genuinely significant way. Bitcoin money gauge on Thursday, May 11, cost $145, exceptionally greatest $155, least $135 in an unpretentious way. In about a month Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, May 15, cost $149, kind of most extreme $159, especially least $139, or so they by and large thought. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost $144, by and large greatest $154, genuinely least $134, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money estimate on Wednesday, May 17, cost $144, genuinely most extreme $154, certainly least $134 in an unobtrusive way. USD to BCH conversion scale especially equivalent to 0.7619 coins per $100, which is very huge. Today, S reach 0.7428 minus 0.7674, which fundamentally is very huge. The past day, S nearby 0.7436 in an unpretentious way. Change for now plus 0.0183, plus 2.46%, which fundamentally shows that Bitcoin money value kind of equivalent to $131.25 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. USD to BCH cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which is very huge. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, April 18 costs 0.735 coins. Most extreme 0.794, genuinely least 0.685 and in every way that really matters, large way. USD to BCH expectation on Wednesday, April 19 costs 0.735 coins. Most extreme 0.794, lovely least 0.685 in a kind of huge manner. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, April 20 costs 0.730 coins, especially most extreme 0.787, by and large least 0.680, showing that really backwards rate, USD to BCH, in spite of mainstream thinking. In multi-week dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, April 24 costs 0.719 coins, certainly greatest 0.775, in every way that really matters, least 0.671 in a sort of huge way. USD to BCH expectation on Tuesday, April 25 costs 0.714 coins, lovely most extreme 0.769, especially least 0.667 in an exceptionally large way. USD to BCH expectation on Thursday, April 27 costs 0.690 coins, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.741, especially least 0.645 in a sort of significant manner. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, April 28 costs 0.694 coins, all things considered, greatest 0.746, by and large least 0.649, which for the most part is very huge. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday, May 2 costs 0.709 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 0.763, least 0.662. Further appearance how the change truly was 3.23, 2.40%, or so they in a real sense thought. USD to BCH forecast on Wednesday, May 3 costs 0.709 coins, exceptionally most extreme 0.763, genuinely least 0.662 in a truly significant way. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, May 4 costs 0.685 coins, exceptionally most extreme 0.735, in every practical sense, least 0.641, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to BCH expectation on Friday, May 5 costs 0.685 coins, truly greatest 0.735, truly least 0.641, or so they explicitly thought. In 3 weeks dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Monday, May 8 costs 0.704 coins, lovely greatest 0.758, especially least 0.658, which most certainly is very huge. USD to BCH forecast on Tuesday, May 9 costs 0.690 coins, kind of most extreme 0.741, by and large least 0.645 in an especially enormous manner. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, May 10 costs 0.676 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.725, really least 0.633 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Friday, May 12 costs 0.676 coins, especially greatest 0.725, all things considered, least 0.6